Welcome everyone. Today I'm reviewing Athlytic AI Fitness Coach and showing you how to use it to improve your workouts, recovery, sleep, and overall health. Athlytic collects data from your phone, and if you have a wearable like Apple Watch, it uses heart rate variability (HRV), resting heart rate, sleep, and workout data. Then it converts all that into simple scores for recovery, exertion, and sleep readiness, so you know when to train hard and when to rest. First, download Athlytic on your iPhone. Give it permission to access health data. If you use Apple Watch, make sure it's connected and doing regular monitoring. Once data flows, Athlytic will show on your dashboard a recovery percentage, sleep suggestions, and a target exertion zone for today, meaning how hard you should push during workouts. When you do a workout, Athlytic logs it, and after you finish you get detailed feedback, heart rate zone chart, effort score, intensity, and even whether you improved compared to your previous performance. You can also use the built-in journal to tag lifestyle factors like sleep quality, stress, or daily activities to see how they affect recovery and performance over time. If you want a simple way to train smarter, not harder, and listen to your body's signals, Athlytic is a great tool to try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and fitness tools.